Cement tiles are gaining popularity in cafe interior design due to their artistic beauty and versatile applicability. With a diverse array of patterns ranging from classic to contemporary, cement tiles not only serve as striking visual elements but also play a significant role in reflecting the personality and distinctive style of the cafe. One of the leading cement tile brands today is Viet Tiles, renowned for its high-quality handmade products that reflect the rich cultural heritage and artistry of Vietnam. They can be utilized flexibly in various settings, including flooring, wall cladding, bar decor, and for creating distinctive photographic perspectives. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, Viet Tiles are distinguished by their durability and low maintenance requirements, rendering them exceptionally suitable for high-traffic environments, such as coffee shops.